So go to Rav. I noticed many wives of the righteous Jewish ancestors, such as Rivka, Rachav, Leah, Asnat, Ruth, etc., are all from very bad upbringings, while most of their husbands seem to have a much better upbringing and righteous parents.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder, why is this the case?
Did we say Rachav or no? This.
Nope.
So just to add to this is Rachav. Rachav was a prostitute, so that whose every man visited basically, and she did Teshuvah, just so we know, or just to remind us if you knew, right? And she became the wife of one of the holiest Jews who ever lived in that generation, Yehoshua ben Nun, just so we know. Right? So it's not only this list, but list continues through the generations. So what I think we said some things before about this. If they were able to go through this hardship, right, through this life, like surrounded by the family, and they would be stay righteous. So needless to say, in a nice environment, living with this nice Jewish boy, so they for sure they would be righteous. And these people who came from a tough upbringing, they have this the strength to go to go extra mile. You understand? So people from the street in some sense, right? So they have they're fighters. So as we understand this. Rachav and Leah, right? So to live with this family, it was tough to survive in that environment. It was very tough. You understand? So and this Rachav was pasturing the sheep like a little girl. So she was very tough. Yeah. So very interesting. So Yaakov, of course, it says Yaakov will abide in what is it in a tents. So he was a regular Jewish boy, learning Torah. Of course, later on he went to work and stuff like that, but he was a very tender and nice person. But he needed this kind of wives that would handle all of the hardship of life, right? So in this case, as we see, even though the parents were bad, but it was a free choice of the people, of the kids, how they going to live their life. And I hear this many times. No, my father, my mother say, look, and sometimes these people I press my red button. I say, excuse me, let me ask how old you are. Like 42 years old, like father, you've been living alone for I don't know 20 years now. What do you have to do with your father? With your mother? No, but you were 8 years old, 9. Stop it. Stop blaming your parents for everything. Okay, maybe they did mistakes, maybe many mistakes. Okay, but this time is over. It's time to grow up. Come on, stop it. Understand? So that was our holy mothers. Yes. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
Welcome.